Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for new notification. Let's start. Class 7th, let us start chapter 5, Introduction to HTML5, part 6. In my previous video, I have explained you about the MCQ and the full form, right? So let's start. C part, match the following. Okay, so the first one is, this one is B. B is used for display the text in bold. This is B tag. My dear students, I have written the correct answer only. It's not in matching format. In book, whatever the way is comfortable, you can put the numbers also in front of the correct answer, and don't do crisscross. Don't do that childish activity. In whatever the way comfortable and decent, you can do it in your book. You can write the numbers here. Okay. H6. What is used for display the smallest heading? I have told you in my previous videos also, H1, H2, H3. So what do we mean by these headings? So with the increment of the number, font size is getting reduced. Fine. After that, comment is there, and comment is used for insert notes for yourself in the HTML document. Whatever the content, whatever the text is written within the comment tag will not get display on the web page. So my dear student, please pay attention here. In your book, there is a misprinting. In the F part, this answer is written, display the text in bold. You just cut it and write this one, right? Clear till this? After that, BR tag is there, break tag, break line tag, or insert a blank line between the text. What are the use of tags? Identify the element of the web page. Title. Title is used to write the documents. Title. Clear? From the word it is clear, isn't it? Now, it's a time to discuss true and false. So, dear students, please pay attention. It's not like I'll read the sentence and tell it's false or true. We should try logical thinking why something is false. Empty, let's start. Empty tag contain both on and off tag, right? But from our previous knowledge, we know container tag contain both on and off tag. A container tag is required to be closed. But empty tag like BR tag, HR tag need not be closed. So the statement is false. Empty tag contain both on and off tag. So the statement is wrong. Next question. HTML document created with a notepad are saved with .htm extension. Yes, it's true. How we save the notepad code of the HTML document? With .htm or .html. We are basically use .html. So this extension also you can use. That one is also correct. The statement is true. Next one. Spaces and paragraph formatting of the text between the tags does not affect what is displayed in the browser. The statement is true. How it is true, I just tell you. Suppose you want to write a text in bold. You want to display a text in the bold in your web page. So if you write or increase the font size on the notepad, will it display the text in the way? No. You can try it out also with the system and the notepad you can write down. It will not display. If you want any text to be displayed on the bold, then B tag is used. So that's what. Normal spacing and paragraph formatting will not affect the display. We have to use the particular tag if you want to change the display accordingly. Clear? Fourth one, the title tag is present in the body tag. The statement is false, of course, because the title tag is present in head tag. Width is an attribute of head tag. The statement is false. Width is not an attribute of head tag. Image tag, width can be one of the attribute, or HR. What is HR? Horizontal rule line. It can be then attribute where pixel image size has to be increased or decreased, where there is a role of width, then only we will use the width tag, width attribute in the tag, right? Now one question I have given for your practice. Please, you have to write this code in your notebook, and also you can practice this on the system and show me the output of the web page. What's the question? Write a code in HTML to create the web page as the sample page. This is what my sample page, sample output. I want the output. You have to write a code in such a way that I get the output like this. Background color yellow. How I have got BG color? I have used the attribute of body tag, that is BG color. Okay. And for heading, you know which tag you will use to make the heading look like this. Okay. Format means the presentation should be the same. And one thing, see here, content, what I have written something in paragraph, but in a line format. First line, second line, third line. I have written about artificial intelligence. Fine. You can write more about the artificial intelligence. I will definitely not mind that, because I know by this time you know much more about this concept, artificial intelligence. You can write any other topic also and create the web page. Okay. And at last I have marked an horizontal line and I have written thank you. So how I have done this, which tag I have used, you have to write the code. So this is a home assignment to you. You have to design a web page where the content related to artificial intelligence is displayed. The pattern should be similar to this. So I hope things are clear. Thank you and have a great day.